And hello everyone, it's Aiden Railfanning here, and we also have our good guest, Wide Robloxia Trains, also known as LG.
Hey, so this video right here, we're having a good manifest, and this train is really special. This is 19 ish Railfanning. This is a 90s Railfanning, and today we got one of the most best railroads coming up: Erie Lackawanna, Penn Central, Conrail, Grand Trunk Western, and all these other goody railroads that were back then. Now let's get this started.
Yes sir, my bud, let's do this. Yo, you gave us a haircut, let's go.
Or I mean nothing.
And a good train from
No.
the Erie Lackawanna, giving us a good shaving and haircut.
From the
A
good
train,
engineer.
and a friendly engineer, and a good train.
Oh.
There it goes. All right, Aiden, pause.
Alright,
We got
so
another.
you
No.
sorry, I'll pause, I'm sorry.
Pause it. Cause guess what? We gotta do your.
And now we're back with another train coming. It's a coal train with some
This
good
time,
units.
one of a good railroad. Erie Lackawanna this time, baby.
Erie Lackawanna.
Yeah, you can do Shift P while you playing the horn.
Oh yeah, true. I can do that.
Erie Lackawanna. Erie Lackawanna. You did it.
All right, Aiden, blow that horn, baby.
Alright, I will.
Blah. I
Michael, please be quiet. We're trying to record. Now that's what I call a shaving haircut, my man.
Yes sir,
A cold train from Erie Lackawanna. Bells are still dinging from the damn crossing.
That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, Aiden, you may keep going fast. You may go faster, Aiden. And just let your train go, alright, Aiden? We are now back with the last train of the day of Erie Lackawanna.
Yes sir.
This time we got a local switcher pulling an Erie Lackawanna switcher unit with a few box car and a one tanker car.
Yes sir.
Let's see what this horn sounds make. And we got a shave and a haircut, baby.
And a good train. There it goes.
There it goes, my man. Anyways,
Sir.
YouTube from Aiden Railfan 21. We hope you enjoyed this little short video we made. It's just 3 trains of the day. So, possibly every Saturday we do 3 trains of a day with Aiden the Railfan 21. New series are coming up every Saturday.
And we have LG with us, aka Wide Robloxia Trains.
We only do this every Fridays and Saturdays. So please stay tuned for tomorrow. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye YouTube.